Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sazzad Hasan from Dārul Qur in Sydney. We do have classes for the young kids from 6 years to the 8 years for the girls. The 6 to 11 years for the girls, and so from 6 to the unlimited age for the the boys. So we do have different classes like from the starting from the Qaida al-Nuraniyya up to the Tajweed, all the Makharij and the Sifat rules, all the Tajweed rules from the basic, from the beginners, intermediate up to the advanced level for all kids and the adults as well. So in our YouTube channel we'll be uploading many of our class recordings, including the the introduction to Tajweed and Qira'at, our Qaida al-Nuraniyya al-Fathiyya recordings, most probably the Qaida al-Nuraniyya recordings as well. There are two different books, one is the al-Qaida al-Nuraniyya al-Fathiyya, one is the al-Qaida al-Nuraniyya. Okay, and we'll also be uploading the Makharij videos, Sifat videos, the Tajweed rules like the Nun Sukun and the Tanween rules, the all other extra like the Idgham rules, especially the Nabar, the rules of Alif, Lam and Ra, etc, inshallah. And we'll also be uploading some of the the different turuks of Hafs and Asm, inshallah. We'll also be uploading the many of the recitations in the different Qira'ats. As you know, I have the Ijaza in all the 7, the 10 and the 14 Qira'at, you call it. You can say people say the Qira'at in the 10 Qira'at like the Ash-Shatabiyya, Wad-Durra, Ashra Sughra, Kubra, and the 4 extra additional Qira'at. Okay, some people call it the Shazgir, but I don't really say that. And I'll also be uploading the Qur'an recitation in the Hafs and Asm min tariqa Shatabiyya wa Durra, inshallah, from my recitation as well as the recitation of the prominent Qurra, inshallah. Our channel is actually for all the Muslims. They can actually can benefit from this channel. So subscribe to our channel, inshallah, so that you can get benefit from me, and also make dua for me, inshallah. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Wassalāmu Alaikum wa Raḥmatullāhi. Oh, do not forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.